Get ready to see highest non-premium Stella ever built by Seperators. With its 6.6 meters high, this Stella was the highest standard model A-frame house we've ever built. Since it was built in Antalya, not needed, but it's still able to withstand hardest weather conditions in winter with its carefully engineered insulated paneling. And who wouldn't want to get relaxed in a hot tub, right? I love drone footages. This gorgeous lady is high, but it looks incredible on this altitude. If you have subscribed to our channel and watched our previous videos, I mentioned that our walls are prefabricated. It's pretty easy to place them this way. Of course our carpenters are master of their jobs, but believe me, anyone can do it with practice over time. But still, you have to be careful with pillars. You must hit hard to them to compress each other. This model also has a very large deck. If the construction site has large areas, every details are possible. The separator walls are prefabricated and can be interlocked like a puzzle piece. Hi guys, I'm Can from Seperators. We are in the second day of the assembly. Let's make a quick tour together. The weather is too hot right now. We are in Antalya, it's 45 Celsius degree and humidity gone crazy. We finished the deck already. The separator has finished. There will be a bathroom on the left side, a bedroom on the right side. And where I'm standing will be a living room. A crane will arrive shortly to place the A-frames. Right now, we are making some preparations for it. Our carpenters are very good at placing A-frames by hand, but when there is a crane on site, job done like a blink of an eye. Top beams will hold these huge A-frames together. We used 2 of them this time. Huge houses becomes huge sticks. Luckily, with the help of our old pal Mr. Crane, it was easy. We're also adding sub-beams to get a more solid stance. And we'll need an actual bottom frame while we are paneling the roof. They'll do the job. In this level, our carpenters started to paneling the roof. As usual, our wooden panels for roofing are prefabricated too. They have precise measurement and designed for easy assembly. I really like the paneling process, because A-frames are mostly roofs. That's why when you finish the paneling, the house will literally appear from nowhere. While assembling, it feels a difference. The owner always puts a big smile on his or her face when sees it. After the roofing, now it's time to apply insulation solutions. Antalya is too hot, but also it's rainy in winters. With insulation solutions, not only the house will give the owner a nice place to live in winters, but also house itself will stay protected from the rain, rot and all kind of stuff. While sheets were delivered longer than we want, we had to do the oldest fix in the book. We cut it. There's nothing a chainsaw can handle in woodwork if you know how to use it properly. After finishing the metal sheets, our house was almost ready. All we have to do is placing the windows. The owner has already started to move his furniture after finishing the house. Don't blame him for the rush. It's a really great house. Now I leave you with a short tour of the house. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications for more wooden cabin videos.